To adjust settings for BS010B, first remove the case. You'll see 3 buttons from left to right: dim, light sensor, and delay time. To adjust light intensity, press and hold the dim button. Indicator light will flash 1 to 6 times. To adjust delay time, press and hold the delay time button. Indicator light will flash 1 to 7 times. To turn off light sensor, press and hold the light sensor button till the indicator light flashes 2 times. The light automatically turns off if no motion is detected after the time delay expires. When the light sensor is off, the light turns on once the sensor detects a movement. To turn on light sensor, press and hold the light sensor button till the indicator light flashes 1 time. When the light sensor is on, the motion sensor will only activate the light when the ambient brightness is under 35 lux.